Today we have a 2017 Chevy Silverado. We're going to be replacing the front brake pads and removing the rotors. So first thing we're going to do is lift her up, and with a 22mm socket, we're going to remove the wheels. After using a 22 to remove the lug nuts and the wheel, we're going to remove the caliper here with the number 19, 2 bolts here, one on the bottom, one on top, and then we'll get this out the way. Now after you remove those 2 bolts, just slide the caliper off. I did remove one of the brake pads to push the pistons back with my tool here. This is a number 10 for the valve, and then these brake pads just slide off like so. So now we're going to move the bracket to get to the rotor. So with the number 18, we're going to remove these 2 bolts here to remove the bracket. Alright, so after removing the bracket, we're going to remove the rotor now. With a T30 and an impact tool, we're going to remove this bolt here. And then once we do that, with a M10 by 1.5 bolt, it might not be exact, but it's close enough. We're gonna get 2 of those and place them in a hole and pop this rotor off. All right, now that the rotor's removed, I'm gonna do the exact same thing the other side. But before I do so, while I'm waiting for the rotors to be remachined, we're gonna pop these off here, like so. And we're gonna re-grease all this and pop them back into place. Just push it down like so. So go ahead and grease that up and take care of the other side, and we'll install the rotors and new brake pad. Okay guys, so I went ahead and slapped the rotor on. So make sure it lines up with the hole there for the T30 to go in. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that in, then we'll knock that back in. And then we're gonna put the bracket in as well. I went ahead and put the brake pads on it. It doesn't really matter, you can do it afterwards or so. I just like to do it like this. So I'm gonna slap this in, bolt those back on, and we'll be almost done. All right, now that this is tightened and my bracket's in place, just gonna squeeze these in so it's nice and flush. And we're gonna slide our caliper back on here. You just push these back to slide it in. Sorry, it's kind of hard with one hand. Same with the bottom. And now we're just gonna put those 2 19mm bolts in, and that's pretty much it. So after that, just gonna put the wheel back on and top off the brake fluid. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, more videos to come.